10 things about mother's love. 1. Under the sun and rain. She treks miles to the farm, enduring harsh weather conditions, from the scorching sun to heavy rains, to cultivate crops and secure food for her family. 2. Fetching water from the stream. She makes multiple trips to the stream to fetch water, carrying heavy loads over long distances to ensure her family has enough for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. 3. Cooking on firewood. She spends long hours gathering firewood and cooking meals over open flames, enduring the smoke and heat for the sake of her family's meals. 4. Fending for the family. She works tirelessly on the farm or engages in small-scale trading to provide for her family, taking on physically demanding jobs to make ends meet. 5. Cooking and eating leftovers. She ensures her children have enough to eat, often eating the leftovers or going without to make sure her family is well fed. 6. Watching over the house. She vigilantly watches over the home, ensuring it's safe and secure, often sacrificing sleep to protect her family. 7. Sacrificing personal time. Her personal time and well-being are often set aside as she focuses on her children's needs, from early morning until late at night. 8. Health. She often neglects her own health to ensure her children receive necessary medical attention, enduring illnesses and physical strain without complaint. 9. Social life. She limits her social interactions, dedicating her time and energy to her family's welfare and daily household tasks. 10. Emotional well-being. She bears emotional burdens in silence, staying strong and resilient despite the challenges she faces daily. To all the mothers who endure these daily hardships with unwavering dedication, your sacrifices are seen and deeply appreciated. You are the backbone of our families and communities. Your strength, love, and selflessness are the true foundations upon which we stand. Thank you for all that you do. Let's celebrate and honor our amazing women. Download and share this video with your mothers as a simple yet profound way of saying, "Thank you, Mother, for your endless care and love."